There is nothing more frustrating than a car problem that plays hide and seek, appearing one day and vanishing the next, only to leave you with a P0469 trouble code. This code points to an intermittent issue with the Purge Flow Sensor Circuit. This sensor is a key player in your EVAP system, which captures fuel vapors from your tank so they do not pollute the atmosphere. The sensor tells the car's computer exactly how much vapor is flowing into the engine to be burned, so the computer can adjust the fuel mixture perfectly. When this sensor acts up or the signal gets choppy, your fuel economy drops, and that malfunction indicator lamp lights up. Since this is an intermittent fault, do not just swap the sensor immediately. Start by checking for technical service bulletins, especially if you drive a Mercedes Benz, as manufacturers sometimes release software updates to fix this exact glitch. If there are no updates, find the sensor, which is usually near the charcoal canister back by the fuel tank or sometimes right on top of the fuel pump. You are looking for green, crusty corrosion on the connector pins or wires that have rubbed through against the chassis. Use some electrical contact cleaner if the pins look dirty. If the wiring looks solid, you will need a multimeter. With the key on but the engine off, check the power and ground at the sensor connector. You should typically see 5 volts or 12 volts depending on the car. If you have good power and ground, check the signal wire. If all the wiring checks out and the code keeps coming back after you clear it, then the sensor itself is likely failing internally and needs to be replaced. Just remember, after any repair on the EVAP system, it might take a few drive cycles for the computer to run its self-tests and confirm the fix, so be patient.